Good evening, teacher and partner. I am Gustavo Ramirez. My script presents my script. I have studied telecommunication engineering since 2017. I have lived in Medellin since I started my first job in the city. I see in this town for 2 years. I have now very little about its surrounding because of my work has been history. Uh, history. Uh, I have very little surrounding because of my works I have been studying. In addition, the pandemic has been around for more than a year. I living with Andrea Romagna for 2 years. I I am paramedic. Um, watching imagine. Um, and have worked with Red Cross Antioquia for more 1 year. I really like playing football, listening to Zion and Lennox music. It's very little, little television, but the best film ever seen cinema here is here Cruise and earthquakes. Cinema is earthquake. The San Andreas Fault. I have good experience traveling. I have traveled to Armenia, Neiva, Cartagena, Capurganá, and Satsuro. In this place, it's a very interesting landscape. Um, Thank you. Um, Bye.